Technology is about changing the way we sense the world around us. To truly achieve this, we need to couple the perfect design with the best performance. This is what drives us. When design is truly beautiful, it's undeniable. It's beautiful to everyone. When you have a machine that offers groundbreaking, intuitive performance, you can produce amazing results in power and speed. And when you're at the wheel of this technology, you will get a unique experience you will never forget. Only when you combine this stunning design with cutting-edge performance, you have something timeless, a genuine winner. The good thing is, this experience can come in all shapes and sizes.
This is not a phone. It's a super camera phone. It's super power, a super sensing like a quad camera. Now you can find light in the dark with the super spectrum camera sensor. It absorbs light in a revolutionary way. This pioneering periscope structure gives you a super zoom that brings you closer to the things you love. Plus, add extra depth to your bokeh shots and capture beauty in every layer. With Super AI HDR, get the best of every layer, even in the most complex environments. Welcome to the beginning of a new era. Rewrite the rules of photography.
Abby here.
Abby!
To my left, you have Teddy.
Teddy!
And in my hand is the new Pixel 3.
Wait, where's mine?
I don't know.
Okay, I think I left it at my desk. Hang on.
Today we're here to show you just how easy it is to switch to the new Pixel 3. When transferring from iPhone, turn off iMessages on all devices. First, I'm going to insert my SIM card into Pixel 3. Then I follow the directions on my Pixel 3 screen. I connect to Wi-Fi, then connect my old phone to my Pixel 3 using the quick switch adapter. Sign into my Gmail account, choose what I want to copy over from my old phone, and then while my data and apps are transferring to my new Pixel 3, I can finish setting up my phone. I choose a PIN, set up my fingerprint security, train my Google Assistant to recognize my voice. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. And then I set up Google Pay, and I'm done.
Okay. It was in my pocket the whole time.
Stop breathing on me.
I'm ready to start. Let's go.
It's done. He's fine.
Every decision we made, every path we took, led us to one thing: a better phone to empower you. You got videos to watch and feeds to scroll, so there's a wider edge-to-edge screen that still fits in your hand. You've got apps to run. New hardware unlocks and processes quicker, while our screen is more fluid and more responsive. Smoother? You got that too, thanks to a 90 Hz refresh rate, with richer, sharper, deeper colors and detail. You've got photos to take, with 3 lenses instead of 1, so you can shoot wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto, to always get the full picture. Even in backlight, and with almost no light, so your images always look spot on. You've got things to do, places to be, so there's Warp Charge. Just 30 minutes to keep you moving. And you've got dual speakers, so when you're gaming, you don't get played. You've even got video stabilization, so you can always keep it steady. We came, we listened, we made the phone you want. Introducing the new OnePlus 7T. Never settle.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.